there, Steph.
Yeah, we have that marine layer still in place, but we certainly are seeing the foggy conditions in areas along the coast and parts of the basin. As we check out LAX, we have a little bit of that fog lingering out here, and that will likely linger into the afternoon hours. But temperatures right now in the area, we're currently at 66, and because, well, of the marine layer, the clouds and the fog, it's helping to keep those temperatures down a little bit, and that's why we're about 2 degrees cooler now compared to this time yesterday. Visibility now up to 4 miles. It was a lot worse earlier today. Visibility down to 2 miles still there in Long Beach, 6 miles in El Monte, 4 miles in Anaheim, but we'll see some improvement in some of these areas as we head into this afternoon. But as I mentioned, some spots along the coast could still see some of the clouds linger into this afternoon. As right now, we look at the satellite and radar. So again, you see the clouds hanging out along the coastal areas, and also you may see more of that lighter gray sort of passing through. So we have high level clouds, and that was what we saw when we checked out the San Fernando Valley shot. We had some high clouds around the area there, and we will continue to see passing clouds through the afternoon. All right, temperatures right now, we will notice again the contrast in temperatures because of that marine layer. It's keeping those temperatures down a little bit. So we will see temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s this afternoon in areas along the coast, but inland it will get warmer. But right now we're at 86 in Ontario, 89 in Riverside, 78 in West Covina, 88 in Van Nuys, 89 in Santa Clarita right now. So the heat illness risk remains at a moderate level for the valleys, for the Inland Empire, and even the high desert, with temperatures in the upper 90s to low 100s. So it's a moderate risk to most people who are sensitive to the heat. So it's just a reminder you want to avoid being outside, especially during the afternoon hours when we experience the peak heat. High temperatures this afternoon. Temperatures in the upper 90s. Van Nuys 98, 93 in West Covina this afternoon. 101 in Santa Clarita, 100 degrees in San Bernardino, 99 in Riverside. As we continue into the coming days, we will experience light cooling. Ridge of high pressure. This is actually allowing for this warm up, this heat that we've been dealing with since the past couple of days. That begins to weaken as we continue this week, and this is going to allow for a couple of disturbances to approach here, the Pacific Northwest. And one, as we head toward the latter part of the work week, it's going to increase that onshore flow. So for the basin, temperatures again today, mid 80s. We'll keep those temperatures in the mid 80s on Tuesday. Coming down a little bit as we head into Wednesday, eventually down to the lower 80s as we head into the weekend. For the coast, temperatures will remain in the lower 70s as we have that marine influence. Temperatures upper 90s for the valleys and Inland Empire, then coming down a little bit as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, eventually down into the 80s by the weekend, with an area of low pressure approaching, increasing that onshore flow. For the high desert, mostly sunny skies, 110. For the low desert, so still dangerously hot temperatures, but coming down a little bit. Still going to be hot through the week. And for the mountains, temperatures at 77, coming down into the lower 70s by midweek with plenty of sun. That was your forecast. Back to you, Annabelle.
All right, Steph, thank you for that.